Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the mathematics session. We had discussed laws of exponents in the previous class. Let us work out few problems on laws of exponents. Find the value of 2 to the power of minus 3. It's a negative index. Let us rewrite it as positive index 1 by 2 to the power of plus 3. As I said, if you have negative index, if you want to write it as positive, just bring it down to the numerator or to the denominator depending upon the problem. Now, 1 by 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. One more I'll show. 1 by 3 to the power of minus 3. I have to find the value of this exponent. This is in the negative index. We'll rewrite it as positive index. So it is in the denominator, bring it to the numerator, minus 2 will get changed to the positive index. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9. One more I'll show. Minus 5 to the power of 5 cube. Minus 5 cube. As such, we don't have any negative index, but we have the base as negative integers. So minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5, which is equal to, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125. I hope you understood. The same question may be asked in different way. Evaluate. Evaluate is nothing but finding the value. Minus 4 whole to the power of minus 2. Minus 4 whole to the power of minus 2. So we have negative index with negative base. So how to rewrite it as positive? 1 by minus 4 whole to the power of plus 2, minus 4 square. Now, that is equal to 1 by minus 4 whole square is minus 4 into minus 4, which is equal to 1 by minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. I hope you are able to understand, children. Next, 1 by 2 cube whole square. This is another set. 3, this one is 4, this is 5th problem. 1 by 2 cube whole square. I have to apply the law. A by B, see which law I am applying? 5th law. A by B whole to the power of m. I have to split it as 1 square a to the power of m by b to the power of m. B is 2 cube whole square. Be very careful, children, while doing it. Square of 1 is 1. Here we have to recall third law. A to the power of m whole to the power of n. When there is index on index, we have to multiply the indices. 2 to the power of 3 into 2, 1 by 2 to the power of 6. I hope you are able to understand. Then, 6th one. Minus 4 to the power of 5 divided by minus 4 cube. Minus 4 whole to the power of 5 divided by minus 4 whole cube. Division is there. So how can I write minus 4 whole to the power of 5 divided by minus 4 whole cube. This is in the form of a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, which is nothing but a to the power of m minus n, second law. So minus 4 whole to the power of 5 minus 3. We have to subtract the indices. That is equal to minus 4 whole to the power of plus 5 minus 3 is 2. So minus 4 whole square is minus 4 into minus 4, which is equal to positive 16. The other one. 7. Minus 3 whole to the power of 4 into 5 by 3 whole to the power of 4. This I have to solve. That is equal to minus 3 whole to the power of 4 as it is, I will write. This is in the form of a by b whole to the power of m. So a to the power of m by b to the power of m, we shall distribute 5 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4. We have common bases here. We will keep one side. That is equal to minus 3 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 4 into 5 whole to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4. But here we have minus and here we have positive sign. So what shall I do? Minus, when it is multiplied 4 times, what do you get? Positive 3. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus, minus into minus plus. See, if you have negative integer with even index, even number index as 2, 4, 6, 8. If you have even index, even number index with the negative integer as the base, the product is always positive. Even index, positive product. Odd index, negative product. So, minus when it is multiplied 4 times, we will get positive 3 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4. You can cancel it directly and keep 5 to the power of 4, which is equal to 5 into 5 to 5 into 5, that is equal to 625. So this way we can simplify applying the laws on the given exponents. Another example is as follows. 3 to the power of minus 7 divided by 3 to the power of minus 10. So 3 to the power of minus 7 divided by 3 to the power of minus 10 into 3 to the power of minus 5 is equal to. First, let us rewrite negative as positive indices. See now, 3 to the power of minus 7, I will write it after division symbol. 3 to the power of minus 7 is in the numerator, bring it to denominator so as to make it as a positive index. And 3 to the power of minus 10, bring it to the numerator, then it changes to positive index. So I can write it as 3 to the power of plus 10 and 3 to the power of plus 7, it gets interchanged. Then here into 3 to the power of minus 5, when it is brought to the denominator, 1 by, here into you place 3 to the power of positive 5. This way we have rewritten negative indices as positive indices. Now, here I cannot apply any law of indices, but here I can apply law of indices, that is first law. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. We have to add the indices. 3 to the power of 10 into 1 is 3 to the power of 10 itself. Here 3 to the power of 7 plus 5. That is equal to 3 to the power of 10 by 3 to the power of 12. Now where I have to subtract? The index is greater in the denominator. Let us subtract the indices in the denominator. 1 divided by 3 to the power of 12 minus 10. That is equal to 1 by 3 square, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 3 is 9. The other example, as I said, anything to the power of 0, its value is 1. So we shall write its value as 1. Plus 4 to the power of minus 1 is 1 by 4 to the power of plus 1. It's the inverse of minus 4 into 2 square as it is. I will write. Use the bracket. Next, Let us take LCM now because there is plus. LCM is 4. So 4 ones are 4 plus 1 4. 4 gets cancelled 1 into 2 square, which is again equal to 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4 can be written as 2 square into 2 square. 2 square gets cancelled is equal to 5. Or else this 2 square you can write it as 4. 2 into 2 4, you can cancel 4. The answer is 5. Now index on index, we know that when there are indices on index on index, we have to multiply indices. So minus, before that I tell you, first we shall multiply minus 2 by 3 whole to the power of on and on is minus 2 into plus 2. Multiply the indices. That is equal to minus 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 4. Now here I will give you clue. How to rewrite? Otherwise we have to apply fifth law a to the power of m by b to the power of m, and finally we have to interchange to rewrite it as negative. But I say show you a simple technique. If you have negative index with a fraction, take the reciprocal and make it as positive. Observe carefully. Minus 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus changes to plus, because when 2 to the power of minus 4 rewritten as positive, it comes to the denominator, it is there. When 3 to the power of minus 4 is rewritten as positive, it comes to the numerator. Instead of applying fifth and then come back to the other law, here only we will take the inverse and make this as positive index. That is equal to minus 3 to the power of 4 by 2 to the power of 4. Further you multiply negative to the power of even index. I said it is always a positive. So 9 nines are 81 by 4 fours are 60. This way you get the answer. Next. Here, I said if there is negative index, just interchange. Take the reciprocal, it changes to positive index. So 2 by 1 whole to the power of plus 2. Here also 2 by 1 whole to the power of plus 2. 4 by 1 whole to the power of plus 2. I rewrote negative as positive. Next, 2 square by 1 square, 2 square by 1 square, 4 square by 1 square. That is equal to 2 square is 4 by 1, 4 by 1, 16 by 1. So all division by 1, we get the number itself. 4 divided by 1 is 4, 4 divided by 1 is 4, 16 divided by 1 is 16. So answer is 24. 4 plus 4 plus 16 is 24. I hope you could understand, children. Try the remaining problems from the exercise. If you don't get, just ask me, I will clarify in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.